Hey, what's up you guys? This is Dee with FDH.cloud, and if you were wondering recently like, hey girl, did you die over there? Nope. I'm here and I'm going to tell you about the latest news on the market. So, today I'm going to introduce you to the part of the FDH.cloud platform that is going to be connected to an app. That means that I'm going to give you a common description of the application America Club, which is not only an iOS app for beacon interaction, but also a loyalty program for businesses and their customers, with the possibility to earn and exchange rewarding points. The most important thing over here is that your company will get a personal branded profile with all the information from Yellow Pages listed in the application. Now you can distribute Yellow Pages with America Club, and you avoid expenses of creating and maintaining the app for your company. It connects you and other participants to the local services. So now you can advertise as a regional advertising company, or you can easily find a local delivery or store. Once you will be connected, all of your businesses will be shown on the app dashboard and also shown to customers. Each separate office or store will be pinned to the map, so every passerby with a smartphone will be able to see it. And now I'd like to ramble just a little bit on the Beacon Gallery. It is the hybrid cloud-based product of the FDH.cloud platform, and you can use it in your brick-and-mortar store, restaurant, or nightclub to create an online storefront for e-commerce at mobile or web platforms. You don't have to develop and maintain a separate online store or menu or a list of services, because we'll do it for you as far as we get to connect you to other services. So, with us, your business will become online in 4 simple steps. Why is it profitable? Well, we are expanding the network and connecting partners. You get a branded profile in the application and constant communication with customers, their preferences, and personal information. Other customers from connected affiliate business will know about you and see your published deals and offers. Local people who happen to pass by the listed spots will see your ad by the implementation of geofencing technology to the app. To begin, we fill up the gallery and then collect all possible information on products, and then create business listings or profiles. After that, you may proceed and connect it to your shopping cart, and then create coupons to provide service discounts. To summarize, you have a mobile app with your products connected to a loyalty program and advertising on a local map, with the possibility to earn points and exchange on the network. And now the most important question you are probably asking yourself right now. What will I get for free when I will get connected? Well, you will get connected to an application and start gaining new clients with new possibilities. And we don't charge for that services, and your participation will not be paid. It will be rewarded. To know more, don't forget to visit our website. I linked it down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to FDH.cloud. And I'll see you next time. Bye!